When I was younger, I had an eye injury, so that was my first indoctrination with personal injury and ins and outs of how it operated. The case actually went to federal court, so I did have some experience with the trial process, testifying, and at that time I decided that I would enter into law. At Buddoo Associates, our main focus is the client. We are very communicative. We kind of walk them in plain English exactly what's going to happen. If you're unhappy with the offer on your automobile accident case, you may need a second opinion. The client's health and the money that they're seeking is very, very important. In dealing with something that you're unease with or you feel that something is wrong, it's always best to seek out another expert to review to make sure that you're doing the right thing.
One day I was going to school. I approached the light at Dallas and Bear Parkway, and that was when the box truck that was behind me ended up hitting me because he did not stop. After the incident, I couldn't do anything. My shoulders, my neck, my back, it was all messed up and I couldn't walk no more. And then I called many attorneys' offices, and some attorneys had me doing things that I shouldn't been doing. And then that's when my family member came to me and told me to call Buddoo, and he helped me weave out a lot of the stuff that I needed to weave out to get the help that I needed, which was getting healed and getting back healthy and getting back in the working environment to be a productive person in this society.
My daughter and I were heading to the mall for an afternoon and saw in the rearview mirror a car coming, and it hit another car and spun off, and I watched the car spin and it T-boned into the side of the car where my daughter was sitting. After the accident, my daughter and I were both checked out. We went to the doctor. They made sure that she was okay. Within 48 hours, everything just started to tighten up, and I knew that I was going to have some residual injuries, and I knew that I would need to have an attorney at my side. Buddoo Associates guided me through the process by answering any phone calls that I had, get a clear head as to where my case was going, what was going on with it, and what the next steps were. I would recommend them because they treat you like family. They're going to take care of you and make sure that your case is handled with absolute trust and care.
We want clients to be with us for a long time, and we want to take that fear, that unknown, from one client at a time, so to speak. So when we do well with one client, they can refer them to their aunt, or they can refer them to their friend. Don't hesitate to call Buddoo Associates now. When we say we're going to get you the results, that's what we do.